Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are looking at the Nokia 1280 2025 edition, a modern take on the legendary classic. Nokia has brought back its most iconic phone with a fresh design and some surprising upgrades while keeping its core simplicity intact. Let's dive into its features, exterior, and final thoughts. The new Nokia 1280 sticks to its roots with a compact and lightweight body. It is built to last, featuring a durable polycarbonate shell that resists scratches and minor drops. The classic T9 keypad makes a return, offering a satisfying click with every press. The display is now a bit larger with a clearer monochrome panel, making it easier to read messages and navigate menus. The phone still has that nostalgic charm but with a subtle modern touch. When it comes to features, Nokia has made sure to keep things simple yet effective. The battery life is exceptional, lasting weeks on a single charge, making it the perfect backup or travel phone. It supports dual SIM functionality, so you can switch between numbers with ease. The iconic LED torch is still here, providing quick access to a flashlight with the press of a button. There is a built-in FM radio that works without needing to plug in headphones, and you can store a good number of contacts and messages. A basic internet connection is included for essential browsing, but the focus remains on calling and texting. For those who love a bit of nostalgia, classic ringtones, and the legendary Snake game make a return. The speaker is loud and clear, ensuring you never miss a call. While there are no fancy apps or social media, that is exactly what makes this phone stand out in a world full of distractions. It is designed for people who want a reliable, distraction-free mobile experience. To wrap things up, the Nokia 1280 2025 edition is a tribute to simplicity and durability. It is not trying to compete with smartphones, but rather serve as a reliable secondary phone or a primary device for those who appreciate minimalism. Whether you need a phone for emergencies, a break from social media, or just want to relive the classic mobile experience, this is a solid choice. That is all for today. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to FK iPhone. See you in the next one.